નમસ્તે, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Hello students, today we are going to learn standard 6th subject English grammar lesson number 3rd adjectives. Students, you already studied about adjectives in your lower classes. Can you know the meaning of adjectives? What is an adjective? Where it is used? Can you know about it? Can you know the definition of adjectives? Okay. All the questions, answers we have to find out in this lesson. Adjectives. Our third lesson, adjectives. First of all, we have to understand about what is an adjective. Adjective क्या है? उसके बारे में हमें समझना है. So let's start our study about adjectives. Okay? First of all, definition of adjectives is given on the board. See, adjectives are words used to describe nouns or pronouns. Actually, in our English, adjectives are words which is used to describe nouns, modified nouns. It is used to describe or modify the nouns. With adjectives, you get the more information related to noun. Noun के बारे में आपको कुछ अगर ज्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए, at that time we require adjectives. हमें adjectives की जरूरत पड़ेगी. Okay? It is used. Adjectives are words. It is used to modify the noun or pronouns, or it is used to describe nouns or pronouns. Nouns और pronouns को describe करने के लिए हम जो word रखते हैं उससे हम adjectives बोलते हैं. They can describe physical features. What type of features they describe? If you put adjectives before noun, which type of description it gives? It gives describe physical features of noun. Noun कैसा दिखता है? Physical features. Then colors. Noun का colors कैसा है? Quality qualities. किस टाइप की क्वालिटीज है, देन टेक्सचर कैसा है, मटेरियल कैसा है, इमोशनल स्टेट कैसे है, ऑल द थिंग्स डिस्क्राइब बाय द एडजेक्टिव. नाउन के बारे में वो हमें डिस्क्रिप्शन देता है कि भाई नाउन कैसा है, उसका कलर कैसा है, उसकी क्वांटिटी कैसे है, क्वालिटी कैसी है, उसके फिजिकल फीचर्स कैसे हैं, वो सभी चीज की इंफॉर्मेशन हमें एडजेक्टिव्स देता है. ओके, कैन यू अंडरस्टैंड? एडजेक्टिव्स इज यूज्ड टू डिस्क्राइब nouns and pronouns. It is the simple definition of adjectives. Can you remember it? Adjectives are words to describe nouns and pronouns. Okay? Now, where we have to put adjectives? First of all, we have to understand about it. हमें adjective कहाँ पे रखना है? We place the adjectives just before a noun and sometimes it is placed after a verb. Two places we can put adjectives. First of all, majority we have to put adjectives before noun. Noun के आगे हमें adjective put करना है. जिस noun को हमें describe करना है और जिस noun को हमें modify करना है, उस noun के आगे हमें adjective रखना है. और second place where we have to put it, and sometimes it is placed after a verb. Sometimes adjectives arrive after the verb. Both things we have to understand with examples. I write here two examples. See here. First one is that this is a big car. Can you identify which is a noun here? Yes, car is a noun here. Which word? Which noun is given here? Car is a noun here. So this is a big car. यहाँ पे car noun दिया गया है. Now we have to modified or we have to describe that car. Which type of car is that? Which type of car? So I put here big car. Here big word is considered as a adjective. उससे हम क्या बोलेंगे? Adjective. It is used to describe the noun. यहाँ पे जो noun है उससे describe करने के लिए यूज हुआ है. So big is used to describe noun car. So we can say that big is an adjective here. यहाँ पे big adjective दिया गया है. But can you see that? Can you observe that it is placed before the noun? और noun के आगे रखा गया है. जिस noun को हमें modify करना है, before that noun it is put. So big word is considered as an adjective here. Now second sentence we have to understand here. That car is small. Now we are talking about car. That car is small. That car is small. So वो कार छोटी है. But car is noun here. Car is a noun here. We put an adjective to describe that car. But which type of car is that? Small car. We are talking here in small car. So here small word is considered as an adjective to describe noun car. यहाँ पे कार को डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए मैंने स्मॉल रखा. बट कैन यू ऑब्जर्व दैट इट इज प्लेस्ड आफ्टर वर्ब. यहाँ पे वर्ब इज दिया गया है. सो समटाइम्स इट इज प्लेस्ड आफ्टर ए वर्ब. आफ्टर वर्ब आई पुट एडजेक्टिव. सो बोथ सेंटेंस शो वेयर वी हैव टू पुट एडजेक्टिव. हमें कहाँ पे एडजेक्टिव रखना है. दोनों सेंटेंस से हम most of time it is come before the noun, but sometimes it is come after verb here. Can you understand, student? It is a little bit introductory idea about adjectives. Now we have to study adjectives in a detailed form. Types of adjectives, which type is used where and how, all things we have to understand. Now students, we have to understand about various types of adjectives. As we learned in our previous screen, that what is an adjective, definition of adjectives and where we have to put it, both things we discussed in our previous screen. Now we have to see the types of adjectives, various types of adjectives. In English grammar majorly there are mainly 6 types of adjectives available. Mainly 6 types of adjectives. Adjectives can be divided into 6 different types depending on what they tell us. And that type of 6 different types is depending upon what they tell us, what type of information they give us related to noun. According to that, we have to divide adjectives. First type is that, see here, types of adjectives I write on the board. First type of adjective is the qualitative adjectives. Qualitative adjectives. What is this? Can you know the meaning of qualitative adjective? Quality means what? It shows the qualities of noun. Qualities of noun. Which type of it appear? What is the quality of noun? It shows that type of adjective. Qualitative adjective. For example, long, short, big. For example, I write here long, short, big, beautiful. It is all are known as the quality of. So it shows the quality of noun. So it's known as a qualitative adjective. और चीज कैसी है? लॉन्ग है, शॉर्ट है, बिग है, फैट है, थीन है, ब्यूटीफुल है, ugly, dirty. That type of description is given here in that type of adjective. Qualitative. इसमें आपको noun की quality दिखाता है. That type of adjective is known as a qualitative adjective. Now next one is that second type of adjective is that quantitative adjectives. Quantitative. Quantity means what? Quantity means what? Can you know the quantity? It shows the quantity. Jatho. In Gujarati we can say that jatho. It shows the quantity of noun. How much? Much. So for example, much, some. It is all are known as a quantitative adjective. Quantitative. Please give me some water. Please give me some water. Water, some water. So it shows the quantity. It shows the quantity of water. Most of quantitative adjective is used with uncountable noun. For example, with water, milk. Uncountable noun जो भी है उसके साथ हमें quantitative adjective use करने पड़ेंगे. Give me some water. Give me some milk. Okay, it is all are known as a quantity. इसमें हमें quantity दिखाई देती है. Third type is that number adjective. Third type is that number adjective. We can see in that type of adjective, we can see the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. First, second, third, fourth, fifth like that. Cardinal and ordinal numbers. We can see here in that number adjective. I have 2 markers. have two markers here. I use the word TWO, two. Two is known as a number adjective. It shows the number. So we can say that it's a number adjective. Can you understand? Number adjective में आता है 10, 1, first, like that. It is all are known as a number adjective. उसे हम number adjective बोलेंगे. Then fourth type of adjective is the demonstrative adjective. To demonstrate. Demonstrate means to show. किसी चीज को दिखाना. So here in noun, in pronouns, we demonstrative pronouns we already studied. Here demonstrative adjectives we have to see. Demonstrative adjectives is that these, those, that. It is all are known as they are all known as demonstrative adjectives. It is used to show noun, place of noun. कहाँ पे noun है? Now next one is that interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjective is used to asking question with nouns. Nouns के साथ हम question पूछते हैं, तो वहां पे हमें the interrogative adjective की requirement पड़ेगी. Interrogative adjective is which, what and whose. Which, what, whose. They are known as interrogative adjectives. उससे हम क्या बोलेंगे? Interrogative adjective बोलेंगे. Last type of adjective is that possessive adjective. Possessive adjective is used to show the possession, to show the ownership. It's my marker, but whose? My. It shows the possession. It shows the ownership. So that type of adjectives we use. It is known as a possessive adjective. My, her, our, all are known as a possessive adjectives. Can you understand? Here we see the overview of 6 types of adjectives. We see the name and overview, which type of things included in that type of adjectives. Now, each and every adjective we have to see in details, step by step. First of all, we have to see about qualitative adjective. Now, we have to see the different types of adjectives in details. In our previous screen, we discussed about the overview of different types of 6 types of adjectives. Now, each adjectives we have to see in details. So from that list, first one is that qualitative adjectives. First one is that qualitative adjective. Where it is used, how it is used, and what source. We have to see that above. That refer to the physical features or qualities of a noun. First of all, you have to keep in mind that qualitative adjective refer to the physical features. How it appears, वो कैसे दिखाई देता है, nouns कैसा है, उसके बारे में जब हमें डिस्क्रिप्शन देना है, तो that type of adjective is the qualitative adjective. They refer to the physical features or quality of the nouns. Noun कैसा दिखता है, उसकी quality कैसी है, उसका physical feature है, बाहर का appearance कैसा है. All the things we can describe by the qualitative adjectives. They include words which describe most of which type of words we have to use describe that things, quality of that noun. First of all, we can describe shape of a noun. कैसा दिखता है, उसका shape कैसा है, square, long, short, that types of adjective we have to use in a qualitative adjective. Second thing is that we can describe size of noun. We can describe size of noun. Big, small, tiny, that types of adjectives, that types of words we have to use describe noun. ओ भाई उसकी साइज कैसी है, वी हैव टू डिस्क्राइब क्वालिटी ऑफ दैट नाउन. जो नाउन है उसकी क्वालिटी कैसी है, उसमें साइज में कैसी है, तो इंक्लूडेड इन द क्वालिटेटिव एडजेक्टिव्स. बिग है, स्मॉल, बिग, स्मॉल, टाइनी, दैट टाइप्स ऑफ थिंग्स. थर्ड इज दैट कलर. वी कैन डिस्क्राइब कलर इन क्वालिटेटिव एडजेक्टिव्स. कैसा कलर है उसका, रेड, येलो, ग्रीन, ब्लू, लाइक दैट वी कैन डिस्क्राइब द कलर. So it is included into qualitative adjectives. Next is that taste. We can describe taste under the qualitative adjective. कैसा है, sweet, bitter, sour. Okay, कैसा. So we can say that we can describe नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज दैट अपीयरेंस, उसका अपीयरेंस कैसा है, वो कैसे दिखता, तो लवली, ब्यूटीफुल, चार्मिंग, दिस ऑल आर नोन एज द अपीयरेंस ऑफ एनी नाउन. वी कैन डिस्क्राइब अपीयरेंस इन क्वालिटेटिव एडजेक्टिव. देन मटेरियल, वो किस चीज से बना है, व्हाट इज which type of material is used to create that things. So material we can wood, silk, cement, all things included in that. Then origin, वो कहाँ से आया, Indian, British or British, okay, it's original. Origin वो कहाँ से create किया गया है, वो भी इसमें include होना है qualitative adjectives में. And last one, other qualities of noun we can describe. Quiet, warm, angry, all it is all are known as qualities. So that type of things, that type of words we have to use in a qualitative adjectives. हमें qualitative adjectives में use करने पड़ेंगे. Okay, qualitative means उसकी quality दिखाता है, वो कैसे दिखता है, उसका कलर कैसा है, किसमें से बना है, all the things included into qualitative adjectives. Okay, that type of adjective is known as a qualitative adjectives. Can you understand then? So here in that video we discussed about definition of adjectives, where we have to put it, after that overview of types of adjectives, and we also discussed first type of adjective, qualitative adjectives. Okay, students, understand? Remaining adjectives we have to see in our next video. Thank you for joining us.